Okay, we have come to the introduction of basic algebra. Let's start simple today by just looking at this cookie example. Okay, yeah, Jason initially has 4 cookies. He eats 1 cookie, so left 3 cookies. Am I right? Okay. Okay, but this lesson is on algebra. So let's say if I give you that Jason has X cookies at the start, then how many cookies do he left? So answer is X minus 1 cookies left because he ate 1 cookie only. So I think what we can see is that instead of using numbers, we are using alphabets instead. Okay? So other than X, can we use another letter? Yes. What letter can we use? We can use Y instead. Any other letter? Yeah, E also can. You want to use C for cookie also can. A also can. Basically any alphabet. Okay? So algebra is about your alphabets. Okay? But let's say if I'm using Y, okay? If I'm using Y, if he has Y cookies at the start, then how many cookies does he left? Y minus 1. Yes, you have understood how do you use the alphabets. Okay, now let's go to page 106 and then try these examples. Okay? Add, subtract, divide, multiply. All these you already know already. Okay? Plus, minus, divide, and times. Okay, but now it's using algebra. The first example is easy. Basically, a plus x squared. Okay? When I write like this means square. First of all, this is also acceptable. Okay? Basically, if you write like this, okay, we need to simplify it further. Okay? Try not to write with brackets. Okay, I give you a clue for the part B. Quotient is just a fraction. If I ask you to subtract 5x from the fraction, first of all, I write the quotient first, the fraction. Then I subtract 5x from it. So, I am agreeable with this answer. So, yes, Charlton, that's a very good question. What if I have the fraction first and then subtract the fraction from 5x? Okay, it will be in this order instead. The 5x comes first. Okay? Okay, the next question, I will find what is square of a, which is a squared. And I will divide it by b. That's it. Very good. So, between 1 and 2, I will rather choose number 1. Okay, because it's nicer to see in this way. Yeah, number 2 will not be simplified. Yeah. So for part D, yes, we can write an answer like this, multiply everything, but then we need to remove the multiplication sign, okay, to make it simpler. So this is the answer, 7t squared b, okay. Or can you write it like this, 7bt squared, is it the same thing? Actually, it's okay, acceptable. Why? Because a times b is the same as b times a. Okay, if I zoom into part E, the answer is 8m squared n squared. Can I write like this as well? Acceptable also. Okay, because it doesn't matter 1 times 3 is the same as 3 times 1. Okay, it doesn't matter the order.